This is a moment of truth here at Toast. The new OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 5 was a great product for us, and we were really disappointed when the 5T came out and none of our adhesives would work with the finish. It had some sort of hard anodized finish that just didn't work. And after all this, let's find out if we're gonna be able to toast this 6. Oh boy, what do we got on here? The customer sent this as an example of a brand that we won't mention. This vinyl skin doesn't cover anything, like the button doesn't cover the sides. I don't know what you really get out of that. Not a lot of adhesion there. See how our adhesives work here. You can see this one didn't stick at all, which is typical. Yeah, pretty good bond on these guys. Once we actually make our fancy cut patterns, there won't be any tension in the wood, and so it's gonna hold pretty well. So I'm thinking we're good to go with this guy. Now we get to work.